Hello there, it's BtheRiderPa. I know I don't make very many videos. I'm pretty busy all the time. Retirement is not just sitting around the house. I'm actually more busier probably now than I ever been. What we're going to talk about today is winter maintenance. So it's cold. It's like 8 degrees outside. Heated up my garage, and of course every year I take my seat off and I re well, we condition the seat with the Docs leather treatment, so it keeps it moist and keeps the leather good. I've had this seat since 2010, so I've had this seat for over 13 years, and I've had it recovered there a couple years ago, which it was kind of wearing out from when you climb on the bike and stuff. But went ahead and got it all squared away, and I took it off, and it was kind of dirty and dusty because I used that WindRider seat cover, which has been really, really awesome. But it doesn't, it does let the dust and stuff stay underneath the seat because it blocks the wind and things like that. But it was pretty dirty, so I went ahead and redid it, and I got a few pictures there. And then I took my seat cover off, and you can see it's holding up very well. The hole is from where my backrest goes in, and it's just like pretty much new. All I can do is put it back on the seat and put it back on the bike. This is like the best seat cover I've ever had. Yeah, it kind of looks like a fishnet on your seat. All you can say with all you want to do with that, but hey, keeps my butt cool. It lets water go through it, and it doesn't get hot in the sun when it sits out. It's like phenomenal versus sitting on a leather seat. So I went ahead and redid my seat and did all that. So, all right, well, hey, thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button, and hope we'll see you on down the road. Don't forget, PAM 2024 is coming up June 12th through the 15th. I know it says Wednesday. Wednesdays are early for early birds like me. I'd be there on Wednesday, so I could look around, get settled in, things like that. Some people have time to do that. Some people don't. Thursday is when we really kick things off, and then Friday we got a barbecue planned and a Saturday group ride. Actually, we have group rides every day. A couple guys locally that are all, some of them you don't. The YouTubers. I don't know who else is coming, but hey, go to the Comfort Inn at the Triadelphia, West Virginia, and tell them you're booking a room for PAM 2024, and we'll see you there in June. All right, take it light, stay warm. We're out.